Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to connect the LG soundbar with TV screen. And to do this, first we're gonna start with a big box right here. So take the power cord from the box. It should look something like this. And this one is placed upside down, and so that on the back you can find the plug right here, connected. And then connect the cable to the power source. You can see the LED lamp flashing. It indicates that the power is on. Now we can move on to the smaller one. Right here on the back you can find all of the plugs, and we'll be interested in this one. So connect the power adapter right here with the same power cord. And then plug it this one right here, and the power source. Now another thing is the HDMI cable, which you need to connect with the plug right here. Let's go for the out one, and don't plug it into in one. And then connect it with your TV. And that's basically how you connect your device with TV screen. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.